Hello, my name is Julie. I'm here in Kajiado County. I drilled a water bore. I wanted it to be equipped with solar, to be equipped and to be pumped into my tanks. So in the midst of looking for the proper company that can do that for me, I came across Aqua Kenya in the internet. I liked their videos. I liked what they did for people. After my research, I decided to contact them. We discussed what I want, the way I want it. He tried to explain what I don't understand. You know, with the new technology nowadays in the world, they explained, they did, and then I decided to settle with them. So he convinced me. I liked their job, so I settled with them. So when I settled with them, I told them I will come in their office so that we talk. So on 20th, I was in their office early in the morning, a very welcoming office. I was welcomed. Caleb came around, we talked, we discussed the quotation. We discussed again the whole quotation, what it means, what a water tap, the drilling, the solar panels. So we discussed everything. They took away my fear, and I decided to go with him. So after making a deposit was 85% of the amount. After doing a deposit, they told me to give them 3 days to organize themselves so that they come to site. But luckily enough, I only had a day difference and they came in site. And when they arrived on Thursday, and as you see today is on Saturday. Solar panels are on, the water is pumping, the water tank is on. I'm a happy client. I can really advise somebody who is looking for advice, somebody who is not settled. What can I do? There are so many things to be done. They're a super team, super team. They advise, they consult, they give options, option 1, option 2. You will really love them. Try them. Happy clients here.
Leta kwanza, tuone kama ni ya nakunywa soda. Who is laughing? Naona kusimama.
Smile.